XRP, we start with 1 hour chart. We want to see how we can look for trade. First of all, if we refer to our analysis, after we get this down move, we mentioned we can look for reversal. If we get the reversal, we can look for, this is what we are looking for. We want to look for buy. We had the divergence, the price sharply reversed, and now we get this correction because we mentioned we need to be quite careful about this flat. Anyway, if we refer to 15 minutes, there was a trade setup to look for buy. Most of the charts we get as a few based on 15 minutes. This one was really good trade for buy. And even right now, it gives us 1 to 1. Whoever get the trade from here, move the rest of loss to break even. Because after this, the price drop, we see the divergence. This is the reversal. We take the trade. And just now, we move our stop loss to break even and see whether the price can continue or not. Because maybe there is a possibility the price can consolidate here for a longer time. If the price cannot break the previous stop, with a sharp move, because we can put this one as a flat. Okay, in this case, if I move to 1 hour chart, as I mentioned, we're looking for the reversal. If we get any from now, if we get any trade setup for buy, we will take the trade. It doesn't mean the price cannot drop. Okay, from now, if the price drop, selling is not a really good idea unless we see the deeper correction. If we see the deeper correction, then mostly we can look for the price can continue and drop. Okay, but right now, if we get any trade setup for buy, we will take it. The only question is whether this is the start of the reversal and this is the only correction. In that case, the only way to put our entry above the top. Okay, and what we want the price sharply break and continue with the price tag we see is not moving within the first or maximum second hour, we take out the trade. Okay, why we wants to look for buy, because if the price reverse from here, in terms of the risk and reward, this is what we get and this is what we risk. Even based on 15 minutes, whoever get a trade, they will get a really good trade. Okay, but the best thing is if this one turn to a flat, it can give us better confirmation for reversal. Okay, then in this case, if traders they think this is the only correction, they want to have entry above the top, they should know we once the price sharply break and continue the price tag, which is not moving within the first or maximum second hours, we see the price not moving, we take out the trade because we want the price sharply break and continue, not the corrective move. If the price continues the corrective move, we just take out the trade. Okay, then if I move to daily chart, we have been looking for reversal because we mentioned we have two ways we look for this one. Either this is the flat and relative to this and the price is going to drop. If there isn't one more drop, mostly with the breakout of the lowest price, which is around 0.65, we can expect the price drop to 0.4. But for me, still I'm looking for one more because even if this is the correction for price to drop, I think still we can expect this one tend to a more complex correction. Okay, again, it depends on the traders and the way they trade, but for me, I'm really interested to look for buy if I get the trade set up, unless this one tend to a deeper correction. Then from there, it can give us a confirmation for continuation as a down move. Okay, anyway, if I move to 1 hour chart right now, I want to see whether I can get any trade set up for buy or not. In this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.